Hello dear children, once again welcome back to the mathematics class. In the previous class we have finished addition of a one digit number without carry over. And today we are going to take a topic that is addition of a two digit numbers without carry over. Addition of a two digit numbers without carry over. Let's do it. The first example is add 22 and 20. Add 22 and 20. So first the step is, which is the first step children? First what we have to do? We have to find out the ones place and tens place. Let's write here ones and tens. Okay. So let's take the first number, that is 22. So 2 is in a ones place and one more 2 is in a tens place. And here one more second number, that is 20. So 0 is at ones place and 2 is at tens place. The next step what we have to do? We have to write the symbol of the addition, that is plus. Then we have to start to count now. We have to add this number. Got it children? So here let's do the first one, that is 2 plus 0. Got it? So 2 plus 0. So which is the big number here? 2. Obviously. Yes or no? 2 is the big number. So 2 we have to keep in our mind and 0 is in the hand. How to take a 0? Nothing is there, isn't it? So do it like this. So 2 is in the mind, 0 in the hand. So 2 after nothing. So what we have to do? Same number we have to write, that is 2. Write here 2. 2 plus 0 is equal to 0. Got it children? 2 plus 0, 2. Same number. The next one, let's move to the tens place, that is 2 plus 2. So again here it is the same number. So 1, 2 we have to keep in the mind and one more 2 we have to keep in the hand. Got it? So 2 in a mind, 2 in a hand. So 2 after 3, 4. Got it? Once again, this first 2 is in the mind and this 2 should be in the hand. 2 after 3, 4. So what we got the answer? 4. Let's write here number, that is 42. And one more very important children, while writing the answer, you have to write below the number exactly. Got it? How I wrote? It is ones place 2, 0 and the answer I wrote here. And here also I wrote the below the number. Some children will write like this. I will show you what you will do the mistake. 22 plus 20. So you will write like this. But some children will, while finding the answer, while writing the answer, what they will do? 2 plus 0, they will write either this side. This is wrong method. You have to write exactly below this. And 4 should be exactly this, not here or not here. Got it? Exactly below the number you have to write. So while doing the answer, while writing the answer, you have to write it exactly below the number. So this is the wrong method. So what you have to write? Below the number, that is 2, and here below the number, that is 4. This is a right method of writing the numbers. Got it children? Now itself you have to follow this method. Okay. So let's move to the next one. The next number is add 46 and 23. Add 46 and 23. So what we have to do first? Ones and tens we have to write. Okay. The next one. What is the first number children? 46. So 6 is at ones place. 4 is at tens place. And here 3 is at ones place and 2 is at tens place. And put the symbol of plus and start to add the numbers. Okay. So first we have to start from here, that is ones place. Okay. So 6 plus 3. So which is the big number children? Biggest number is 6. So what we have to do? The big number we have to keep in our mind. So 6 is in our mind, 3 is in the hand. Got it? 6 is in our mind, 3 is in the hand. 6 after 7, 8, 9. Got it? So big number you have to keep in our mind. A small number you have to keep in a hand. So 6 in a mind, 3 in a hand. 6 after 7, 8, 9. Right below the number. Yes. Now here 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. 4 is the big number we have to keep in the mind and 2 in the hand. Got it? 4 in the mind, 2 in the hand. 4 after 6, 7. Okay? 4 after 6, 7. So what we got the answer here? 7. That is 79. We got the answer 79. The next sum is add 27 and 42. Add 27 and 42. So let's write ones and tens. So 27 is our first number. So 7 is at ones place and 2 is at tens place. 27. And next one 42. 2 is at ones place and 4 is at tens place. So right here, let's find out the answer. Okay. So which is the big number, children, here? 7. Okay. So 7 should be in the mind. And small number is 2. That should be in the hand. Right? So 7 after 8, 9. 7 after 8, 9. Write the number below this. Okay. So 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. And here 2 plus 4. So which is the big number here? 4 is the big number. So 4 should be in the mind and 2 in the hand. So 4 after 5, 6. So 4 in the mind, 2 in the hand. 4 after 5, 6. So write the answer exactly below this number. So what we got the answer, children? 69. 27 plus 42 is equal to 69. The next one, add 55 and 44. Add 55 and 44. So what's first we have to do? Ones and tens. So 55. So this 5 is at ones place and this 5 is at tens place. And here this first 4 is at ones place and here 4 is at tens place. Let's do a addition. Okay. So 5 plus 4. What is the first one? 5 plus 4. 5 is the big number we have to keep in the mind. 4 is the small number that we have to keep in a hand. Isn't it? 5 is in a mind. 4 is in a hand. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. Once again, 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. Right here, 9. Again the same thing. 5 plus 4. So already we have counted the number here. What we got? 9. 5 is in the mind. 4 in the hand. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. So what we got the answer here, children? 9. So you have to write the answer exactly below the number. Got it? So 55 and 44 is equal to 99. We'll move to the next one, that is add 31 and 61. Add 31 and 61. So let's write here ones and tens. So this first one is in a ones place and 3 is at tens place. Here 1 is in ones place and 6 is at tens place. Let's do a addition. So 1 plus 1, how much, children? 1 is in a mind, 1 is in a hand. How much? Very simple. 2. Isn't it? 1 plus 1, 2. Here 3 plus 6. So which is the big number, children, here? 6 is a big number. 6 should be in a mind and 3 in a hand. Okay. 6 after 7, 8, 9. Okay. 6 after 7, 8, 9. What we got the answer, children? 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 92. 31 and 61 is equal to 92. The next one is add 62 and 17. Add 62 and 17. So let's write a ones and tens. So 2 is in a ones place, 6 is at tens place, 7 is at ones place, 1 is at tens place. Okay, what we have to do now? We have to do a addition. Okay, so 2 plus 7. So which is the big number, children? 7 is the big number that we have to keep in a mind, 2 in a hand. Got it? So 7 is in a mind, 2 in a hand. 2 should be in your hand. Okay, so 7 after 8, 9. What we got the answer? 9. Let's write here 9. And 6 plus 1. So 6 should be in your mind, 1 should be in your hand. So 6 after 7. What we got the answer? 7. So 79 is our answer. 62 plus 17 is equal to 79. So here we have completed a addition of a 2-digit number without carry over. So dear children, you have to copy all the sums in your classwork book one time. Now I am going to give you homework. So you have to complete that homework also. So dear children, here are some homeworks related to addition of a 2-digit number without carry over. So you have to solve this additions and you have to find out the answer. You have to send to me. Okay. The first one is add 24 and 30. Add 64 and 32. Add 73 and 24. Add 54 and 43. Add 63 and 32. Add 18 and 71. Add 36 and 62. Add 12 and 66. So you have to find out the answers properly in your classwork book and you have to send to me. Okay. Thank you. See you in the next class, children. Take care and bye-bye.